So here we are at the start of a 300-kilometre ride. Got my Brevet card. Here you go, the riders are getting ready. 300 kilometres, something I've never done before, never done this distance. And we'll see how we get on. So, you're on Richard Lake's Bikepacking Adventures channel, but I'm not Richard Lake, of course, I'm someone totally different. But the man is here. Hello, Rich.
Hey, how you doing, Jez? Yeah, this is Jez. I've inspired him into the world of audax over the course of the last 6-12 months or something like that. So we're dragging out for 300 today.
It's your fault I got into this.
Yeah.
I'm afraid. So we're on a 300-kilometre ride today, and it's all about PBP.
Yeah.
So tell us about the PBP. Is it something you've done before, I understand?
Yeah, back in 2019. It's a 1200-kilometre ride across from Paris to Brest, which lies on the west coast of Brittany. So
okay.
It's about 3.5 days on the bike, pretty much the entire time. So today's ride though, I'm on the gravel bike, the nuke-proof digger.
How come you've ended up on this then?
The front axle on the road bike got jammed, so it's all seized up. And well, it's not seized up now. I've got a mechanic guy on it.
Yeah.
But
we've been right the knobbly tyres. I'm a bit concerned about the knobbly tyres.
Well, they're not too knobbly. They're pretty quick, pretty pacey. Probably show you the bike a little bit later on.
Hello.
Hi Amy, you alright?
Yeah, good, thank you.
And it's Kyle.
Yeah, not Carl.
Not Carl. Yeah, I know he's a Carl, and I was like, I'm sure it's Kyle. How you doing? Are you going to be dancing as well today?
Probably not.
Have you done 300 before then?
Not yeah.
Yeah.
400.
That's the Yvonne 2. Yeah. I did that last year. It was really good. No, the year before last. Yeah. Now then, Ricky, you all right?
I'm very well.
Excellent.
Mr. Lake.
All ready to go?
Yes. 137. I was.
Really?
Told,
yes. Nice one. We'll have a good ride.
Hopefully they won't all have arrived. Need some space in that cafe.
Right, so here we are. We're out in, no, not Newark. We've just gone past Newark, and we are in
Norton Disney.
I'm glad you know. Right, Rich, so we were talking earlier, this is a 300-kilometre ride, which is nothing in your book. Shouldn't be anyway. You've done a few of these, haven't you?
Yeah, you say that though, but every ride is a little bit different.
Yeah.
So long distance cover, anything can go wrong, but it won't.
Hopefully not, eh? The weather's not too bad either, is it?
It's dried off now.
Yeah. And like you say, you had to bring your nuke proof. We were talking earlier about that, and you've got some knobbly tyres on today. So how's it going, sort of rolling resistance wise? You okay with it, or?
Yeah, they're not too bad. The right side are knobbly for road, still quite grippy, but they're not. They're not knobbly in the sense that good in the mud. You know what I mean? More geared towards road riding.
Yeah.
But just quite wide tyres, 45mm.
So where are we off to next?
So we're heading across the Lincoln Ridge via Navenby.
Right.
From there, just heading towards the Lincolnshire coast. The ride is to the chapel. So we're going to Chapel St Leonard. Go north towards Louth. And then we'll be heading west across the Lincolnshire Wolds for a little while. Via Rit Hill, I think.
Good,
it's a long day, but we've got a long day ahead of us. Oh, good ride so far. We are about 70k in. So it's me and Jez riding today. Jez, long time viewer of the channel. Kind of getting the business part of the ride done. That early morning where you just kind of get as many control points as done as you possibly can while it's a bit chilly. First time on a 300. How's it feeling so far?
Yeah, not too bad. I mean, it's all about PBP for me this year.
I understand I'm to blame for this, yeah?
It's all your fault. It's all your fault. My wife's not very happy. I've only just managed to pre-register and now I've got to prove myself to the French and show that I'm worthy. So you have to do a 2, a 3, a 4 and a 600 kilometre ride. The furthest I've ever done is a 200. So today will be my biggest challenge yet. Yeah,
notched it up a little bit.
Yeah, but it's fairly flattish today, I think.
Yeah,
so we should be all right.
Nice choice of bike, Jez.
Thank you very much. It's very comfortable actually. Do enjoy it, do enjoy riding it.
I was just saying to Jez, probably one of the tougher parts of the ride actually. Completely flat there with the highs, just a bit pancake and kind of a headwind actually.
Best bit?
So Jez, what are you going for?
Oh, just some of those.
Drink in the end or just water?
I've just got some water.
Yeah.
I've got another one on the bike already anyway. I just wanted, well, I didn't want any flavour, I just wanted something to clear my palate a bit.
Look at this unusually healthy content on my channel for change.
You're doing well. Looking after yourself. Alright then, Rich.
Yeah, fine. What are you up to?
What am I up to? I don't know. You're at Woodall Spa, and are you done? Are you finished?
Yeah, I'm ding dang done.
Are you?
Ding dang done.
Ding dang done.
Yeah, feeling really good.
Hey!
Careful, spot a girl, Jez.
No. I've tried.
Yeah.
But, not very good.
Yeah, I got bored very quickly. Just see what I'm having to contend with and film at the same time. So this is the destination for this audax today, Chapel St Leonard. So we're just going to stop here, have some lunch, and as you can see, blue skies, not a cloud in the sky. It's really warmed up now. The mobility scooters are out. Bit of a standoff. Just going to ask her how you're enjoying the ride.
I'm enjoying it actually.
Yeah?
Yeah. Now the sun's come out, it's really nice.
Yeah, it's pleasant, isn't it? Have you done this sort of distance before?
I've done a 600 before, but I've never done a 300.
You've done a 600 but never done 300?
Yeah. Yeah, my boyfriend last summer said, oh, do you fancy doing a 600 next weekend? So we do. We pre-qualify for PvP. So
yeah.
That's what we're doing.
I think a lot of people are out there. Jez, first time, 300. You haven't done the 400, 600 yet. We've got Ricky over there. Ricky!
Oh yeah, we met Ricky on the 600 last summer.
How was that, Jess, for you?
That's pretty cool.
It's nice, isn't it?
You're talking about the drop off the hillside, or are you talking
Yeah.
about the toilet?
Drop off the hillside.
Yeah, it's very nice.
So in the distance there, got the Belmont transmitter. Further over to the right, I can't even see this, there's a steady got tower, both of them just off the Bluestone Heath Road, which apparently is one of the oldest roads in the UK. I'm going to have to look that up. Legs good?
Yeah, so far.
Excellent, still got them. But you're glad to know we'll be coming onto the flat very soon.
Okay.
Just coming off the other side of the walls, which it's kind of sad really, because it's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Nice to have a bit of height.
Yeah, it's all new to me.
Oh, it's beautiful. What a beautiful day, what a beautiful weekend. Because folks, I don't know where you live or where you're watching this, but here in this little part of the UK, it's just been lots of rain. It's been very rainy spring. Arms are out, and you know it's April. It's April. It's been a long time coming. I think we've been blessed the last few springs with really nice weather. Cause I've been cycling properly like this since about 2017, and we've always had, you know, good periods where it's been quite warm and dry. So we're going towards Rugby now, not too far up the road. And I was just saying to Jez, it's just been really nice this afternoon just to tune out things. It's been really quiet on the roads around Lincolnshire Wolds, but I'm not surprised. I know the area well. The sausage, bean and cheese slice option today. Sweet nectar.
That one's for Amy.
That one's for Amy. I don't know if I mentioned Amy already, but I'll stick a link in the corner of the screen if you want to go check out the channel. It's really funny. And she's on the PvP adventure as well, so plenty going on her channel over the next few months, I'd imagine. So I think Jess is doing a good job today. Great job. It's never easy breaking, you know, your previous distance record, and smashing it today. So Jez' next challenge, as is mine, is to complete a 400 distance. Mine is later on this year, into the start of May, and then you have to complete a 600 as well. And once you've done that, your way is paved to attend Paris-Brest-Paris in August. For me, as you know, if you've been watching for a while, lots of big challenges going on this year. 4 ultra races, 3 PvP's not a race, but you know what I mean. And there's it's about 4 weeks space between my final race and PvP. It's a bit of downtime, which I'm going to use to doing more fun stuff like bikepacking and things like that. So stopped at the final picnic of the day in Gainsborough. It's not all ours though. There was a bit of rubbish on the table. We took to some healthy treats, some cookies. I'm going to share those a little bit later. A couple picnics, egg mayonnaise sandwich. I was lured by the price on those. $1.39. Cheese and onion I went for. I love cheese and onion.
Did you?
Yeah, and knickknacks as well. About to enter the nighttime section of the ride. Not afraid of the dark, are we, Jez?
No, it's all good. Still smiling, just about. Yeah, I'm feeling it a little bit. I mean, I'll be honest. I'm a bit under the weather. I started with it this morning, and I don't know if you can probably tell the sound of my voices. I'm wondering what will happen when I stop eventually. I'll probably just go bleh. But we'll see.
Yeah.
But no, I'm still smiling. And so what we've got left in about 40, is it?
I'd say it's 50 odd, isn't there?
50, probably, yeah.
Yeah, a couple more hours. Max 3 hours and we'll be done. So I hope you're still watching and enjoying the video. If you have, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And of course, if you're not already, why not hit the subscribe button as well? Now might be the time. Jez will find out soon enough what nighttime riders like when he does his 400. How many weeks away?
About 4 weeks, yeah.
By that point, he'll really be riding about 4 or 5 hours in the dark. The days will be quite long anyway.
I need to plan it a little bit and have a look at it and try and work out how to deal with that.
Yeah.
It's the sleep part that you've got to try and work out.
Yeah, no sleep.
Yeah, no sleep. Well folks, this is it. The last drag, the last climb into Alfreton. And as you can tell, my voice is gone. I've got some kind of a lurgy thing coming along, I think. We thought we'd let you see what we can see for the last painful bit, because as Rich has told me, every good audax organiser likes to put a sting in the tail right at the very end. And this is our very own little sting, isn't it, Rich?
Yeah.
Right, see you at the finish.
Great ride. Ding dang, done, yeah.
Ding dong dong, yeah, definitely.
Oh, what are you doing here? How are you feeling over there, Jez? You dying?
I think I've got the lurgy. Yeah,
Oh, alright, stay over there then.